We just decided to go get something to eat at like a little local diner. Oh, it's in a neighborhood. Oh, what's wrong with y'all? Why y'all look like this? I need to make sure I have everything. Both keys to the cars. Because you never know. I'm going to do an OOTD with y'all, but I got to make sure I got my crap together. Ooh! Normally I would be dressed and I would show you guys my outfit of the day already. But I forgot deodorant. So it's kind of going backwards. Okay. I want to try that necessary. I saw Naturally Sunny try it, but I think I want to try that deodorant. You guys have seen this a billion times. This is my baby. There we go. This is my baby. I love this. It's like a rosy scent, but not like old lady rose. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna do this for my perfume. Something tells me I want like a pancake or a French toast or something, but something exotic like a banana French toast or something like that. Not a lot, because you know I can't eat that shit, y'all. I cannot. Yeah, so your girl is looking cute today or whatever. I have a natural face. I don't have any makeup on. I just have my hair slicked back. Like, my hair is like dumb curly, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna wear some sort of cute natural hairstyle, something effortless. So this outfit is from Amazon. It's a two-piece set. I want to say I searched up like two-piece women's sets or something like that, but it gave me a little bit of compression in here. I really like that because it's a functional compression. It's not like I'm wearing a whole damn faja, but it's definitely like pushing me in this area. So anyway, you know, your girl think of what I want. I got my Louis on. I have my Louis bag, and then I have the Louis slides on. Watermelon would have been busting. Then I have the slides to match.
Damn, what's taking home so long, son? 50, calm down. Oh, son, pull up.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me, cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the
Well, we just got back from the little diner that we went to. Actually, they served alcohol, which is not normal for a diner. Usually diners don't sell alcohol, or if they do, they sell like mimosas and stuff. But they had a whiskey sour, and y'all know that's my shit, whiskey sour. So I had one. It was huge, okay, and it was a lot of alcohol in it too. But the craziest part is she didn't even charge us for it. How you ain't charge us for the alcohol, sis, but you charged us for the cheese? Make it make sense. So anyway, I drank for free, which is great. Hello, why you scared of the camera?
He's camera shy. Wanna go, mommy?
I do want to go with daddy.
Why? Mommy.
We see a girl rollerblading. Like, go ahead then, girl. Get your Venice Beach on. Go ahead, rollerblade, baby. Okay, y'all, so it is beautiful out here. I got a couple things I need to show y'all today. It's early, so I'm not gonna put myself on camera, but I wish that dog would shut up. I just got off work, so I'm in my work pants still, but the way these roses is looking, baby, I did my mother thing, okay? Look how pretty they're coming in. I got a couple that's struggling a little bit. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm eating like a fruit trail mix. This is kind of my breakfast right now. Sorry about me smacking, but These are doing really good. This one is beautiful. It bloomed like perfectly. Then I got the pink ones. The pink ones are doing good too. Moral to the story is your girl growing some stuff, okay? Stop playing with me. I really brought y'all out here because I need to pick my spinach. I need to do it now. Like before it turns yellow. Some of them are starting to turn yellow, so I'm gonna come out here and pick this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pick it right now while I'm out here. And I'm not putting myself on camera, y'all, once again, because I look a hot ass mess. This is the spinach. What I was reading online was that you just go right under the bottom and pick it. Yeah. Baby. And they said to pick the mature leaves, so I'm gonna grab the ones from the outside. Cause the baby finna make some salad today. I'm so excited, y'all, because I normally don't I don't succeed as it pertains. I'm sorry I'm so loud too, because I'm really close to the camera. But I usually don't succeed as it pertains to growing things. I really just mess up, honestly, and then shit starts dying, and then I'm like, oh, okay, well, you did. But one thing I can say is honey pushes me to, like, okay, yeah, that didn't work out, but don't give up so easily. You know, how about you try a different way? I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm actually able to freaking grow something. I want to come in focus. Why is my camera having a hard time focusing today? Like, are you good? Ma'am. Okay, there we go. So I got quite a bit of spinach, honestly. I'm gonna go in here and wash these leaves off really good. Okay, y'all, so this is what I came up with. These are my little spinaches. Is it spinaches? My little spinach? I guess you would say spinach, whatever it is. Baby, I grew mine, and if I can ever grab onto them, they look really good, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all with a full-fledged salad featuring my backyard spinach. Alright, y'all, so it's lunchtime, okay? I'm hungry. Like, I can't do this anymore. So I just made me some salmon. Some of the seasoning came off right there. But I just made me some salmon and a salad. I used my spinach from my garden, okay? I'm not gonna put this I guess this like the off-brand Olive Garden dressing on there. And then I'm gonna have me a glass of wine. I'm gonna sit outside and I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. So yeah, looks good. It's so fucking boring. It's ridiculous. I want to do something, but I really don't know what I want to do, honestly. Yeah, I'm just really feeling like I should be out or something. I don't know. Like, I'm sort of annoyed today as well. Like, I'm like, I just don't want to be bothered. Yeah. So anyway, I am dressed. Hair's done. Okay, so I posted on Instagram, should I have it curly or should I have it straight? And like 75% of the people said curly, and then the other 25 said straight. So initially I did it straight because that's kind of what I wanted to, but then once I started looking at it, I'm like, I need to do curly. So that's exactly what I did. I went back and put some curls in and then pinned the curls up, and this is how it came out, baby. You gonna buy it for me with your broke ass? Yeah, so I'm out here in these streets with nowhere to go. I feel like I want to go somewhere, but every time I go somewhere I do the same shit, a solo lunch. I don't want to do a solo lunch today. But then again, my friend and I, we supposed to go to a rooftop bar tomorrow. So, oh, look at my dog, just stretched out. She's like 13 years old. She's old. Anyway, I have to, we supposed to go out tomorrow to VU, which is like a rooftop bar in the city in Chicago. So, what? I'm gonna have a good time tomorrow. I kind of know what I'm wearing. I want to wear some shorts, even though it's gonna be kind of chilly. I've been dying to wear this outfit since fucking the 17th. It's about to be the 17th again, and I'm just gonna do it. Like, I don't care. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do my shorts. I'm gonna do what the fuck I'm gonna do with my clothes, and that's just gonna be that. So, if your hair is down your back with curls in it, like, baby, stop playing with me, okay? You gonna buy it for me? With your broke ass. With my broke ass, that's why my fucking nails ain't done properly. This is just stupid, okay? I'm just a damn resident on this earth at this point, so. Okay, so since I'm in the house, I'm gonna do an OOTD for y'all. Keep in mind, I lost like 5 pounds over the course of all this foolery that's been going on. Yeah, so like the green outfit I had on before, this is the brown one, same concept. And I got my Fenty bra on, I got my Louis slides on, my Louis purse is over there. Y'all see the her? The her's her, and oh, it's earring, okay, it's off mine too. Y'all see it there too. I'm doing homework, so I'm relaxing while I'm doing my homework. My fucking arm hurts because I'm typing so much, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, anything for the gram. Also, I am trying to, first of all, I was supposed to go to the rooftop bar, but it's fucking wet outside. And there's no way I'm going outside while it's wet with my hair natural like this. It's not gonna do anything but shrivel up. So I need to figure something out for myself today. Like, I don't want to stay in the house, but I don't want to be outside. I definitely can't do a rooftop type situation because no. No. But it's only 3:18. It wasn't supposed to happen until like 7 or 8 anyway, so maybe I have time to think of something like a plan B. Yeah. Anyway, so my hair is pinned up and I'm doing a reflection on culture and caring theories. Fun. And yes, I need to figure out what I'm doing with myself, period, point blank, because I'm not gonna sit in this fucking house. How about this whole time I've been dressed right? It didn't even dawn on me to open up my camera. Like, I just been on go mode all day long. And right now, I think I'm about to just go ahead and have me a couple margaritas. It's been a long fucking weekend, and today is only Tuesday, but I just feel like I need a couple of drinks, okay? So anyway, y'all caught me at the right time. Obviously, I'm dressed. I'm not wearing any makeup today because today it's currently 96 degrees outside. So I'm not wearing no fucking makeup. That's just crazy. Let me get myself back in focus here. Yeah, so it's currently 96 degrees outside. I simply cannot with the makeup. So I'm going barefaced. Y'all know I've been working on my skin, trying to improve my shit for days like this where I don't feel like putting on makeup, you know. But anyway, your girl looking cute. Oh my God, anyway, your girl looking cute or whatever. I got my little I don't know, this top is from Discovery and the bottoms are size 8 and they're from Target. So it's giving very much Miss Parker, you know what I'm saying? It's giving very much Miss Parker vibes right now, but it's giving very much Miss Parker, okay? And Miss Parker felt like she need a couple of margaritas, all right? So I think we're gonna do my Corettas, which on one of my other vlogs, you guys by this time will have seen on a vlog prior to this, I went and I had jalapeno margaritas for the first time. Follow my Instagram too, because I posted that on Instagram that I had it for the first time. It was actually really good. You going in the house? Are you okay? You want to call me? No? Okay. You gonna go lay down? Okay. We got the rice, we got the salmon, we got the shrimp. I chose to get my shrimp grilled instead of fried because I just don't want no fried food. And guacamole and lettuce and tomato queso. But anyway, we about to go in on this, y'all. We're gonna let y'all know afterwards. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see me. I don't think you can. I'm back home now. And forgive me because I live in a very wooded area. So it's hard for me to get lit shots. You know what I'm saying? But let's see if this will work. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, I'll just talk to you guys on the inside because obviously I can't fucking get a good shot out here. So I'll talk to y'all on the inside. LS?
SOS?
SLS.
SLS. Oh God. I'm F-R-E-E, fuck nigga free.
Okay, so I was in them streets for a little while, not long. Like, I gotta turn this off. I hate this shit though. Like, okay, I'ma just try to talk to y'all in some light because this ain't it. So.